Shubor nakashlem jong unongsan Hima.
Myntri ka Sorkar jilla uba polling do habakran bikinong tho khubor hadin ka jingya kandu jong ka Kynhun Myntri ulapan Thep ba ka Sorkar kalaya tai sani bha Halor karata Thep kam hakikat tu ka ni Tnat jong ka Sorkar uba pol ulaya thu ba ka Sorkar kala shimya gani ka sin jam namar ka sngo thu ba kidan Tnat jong ka Sorkar jilla kom ka Tnat pulit Tnat excise registration, taxation and stamps, home guards and civil defense, Tnat prisons and correctional services, but Tnat forests and environment, kibadan kami kibri kibadang biang ya kereta, but kiba biang ya kabor, namar kini kam kidan kam ya kabormen kaba syait kaba klan. Ulai thuru ba ka snem ka pher na kawe Tnat chakawai pan, kidan Tnat kiba na du khat khandai snem, kidan Tnat kiba ka snem kandai hadu arpunyo snem, but lai pu ar snem.
Then we also took up the issue of the minimum and maximum age limit for recruitment into government service for certain departments. There are effectively 4 such departments where, because of the physical nature of work requiring stamina and vigor, the minimum age limits have been set differently, as well as the upper age limit. So these are the departments of Civil Defense and Home Guards, Excise, Registration, Taxation and Stamps Department, ERTS, Forests and Environment Department, and the Home Police Department. These would, the minimum age in these cases is between the range of 18 to 21 years of age, and the upper age limit as decided by the cabinet today has been fixed, ranging from 27 years in the case of ERTS department to 32 years in the case of Civil Defense and Home Guards department to 30 to 32 years in the case of Forest and Environment department, and 21 years as minimum age limit to 27 years as upper age limit where Home Police Department is concerned. We're also happy to announce here that within the next 2 to 3 weeks we should be in a position to advertise various posts in these departments. There'll be about 3,000 plus posts in various categories in the Home Police Department, and about 500 such posts in the Civil Defense and Home Guards Department. So this is the sum and substance of what was discussed at today's cabinet meeting. Any queries? Junior scale MPS posts, then UB, AB, SIs, all of these posts are those which require people who will be young in age. So the entry point has been set accordingly, and which is why we have different minimum age and different upper age limit for these various posts. So this requires confirmation by the cabinet, which is why it was taken up for discussion and approval today.
For filling up the over 3,000 vacancies in the police department, any time frame being set?
As I said, we will take another 2 to 3 weeks to advertise, and we should be in a position to complete the process within the next 2 months.
So this will address the shortage of the manpower? Or?
It's going to be a huge game changer because as you might have seen, there is a clear deficit of manpower, and this will help address that problem.
Out of these 3,000 vacancies in the Home Police Department, how many are lying vacant because of retirement, and how many because of the need we have to advertise freshly?
Considering the number of vacancies and also the fresh posts that have been created, it comes to that figure of 3,000 plus.
No, that's what if you have a separate figure like
no,
how
today
many
we only
vacancies
approved.
arise because of retirement?
No, today what we did was we were only briefed about the progress made so far, But when it comes to details, those will be shared with you subsequently.